Yeah, I know I said, let me take this out. Yeah, I know I said that's done already. Uh, that's we wrapped up the dashboard, but of course I cannot leave things the way they had at the moment. Of course, I showed you how that you can make your dashboard pop based on whatever you want. I mean, but the truth is simplicity is always there in form of complexity, right? And looking at this dashboard, it feels like I said, if you'd share your thoughts, okay. Uh, I've not, you've probably not seen the video before I'm making this, so I'm still hoping to get your thoughts. I'll look at them, I'll check the comment section for your thoughts. And one thing I can say about this dashboard is that it seems um, choking. Yeah, let me use the word choking. It's like there's a lot going on, right? Like I said, remember in the last video how you should some basic principle you should take to heart, some things you should note, right? How you should make things simple, direct the eyes of your users and all of that. So for that reason, I'll try to simplify things around there. That's why I duplicated it. So if you want the original one, you can keep that. Okay. All right. So it's more of I'll be taking this guy out. So this will be um, pop. Let me just rename it to pop. Uh, pop. Okay. And then this I will take out this the outline beneath it. Yeah, I know. You may say, no, this looks good. It's better. It's this. It's that. Yeah, I know. I know. I know. I know. So, but we need some breathing space. So, I'm gonna do this. Right. I'll highlight this. Highlight this. Highlight this. And highlight this. So, I'll move that to the side a bit. Okay. Also move this to this side a bit. Right. So that aligns. Right. Good. By the way, we'll look at our title again to see if it's perfect. Let me pick the two together since they'll move together. Don't necessarily touch the head, just like we have some white space around there. Okay. Yeah, they should stay the way it is. And this can be adjusted a bit. I mean, it can. Okay, which guy is this? Oh, that guy did not move. Let's move it. Let's move it. Nice. So we need some breathing space. Okay. It's just kind of important. We have some room, some breathing space. Lines would have done a better job here instead of this. So we can delete. Oops. Okay, okay. Those are the text box directly. So we'll leave it there. This can also adjusted this way. I think there's more of a balance now. Okay. Okay. So we can bring this up a bit back. Okay. So we have more room. Of course, this side is looking a lot. This area seems like a lot. Okay, we can bring this down a bit as well, just to give that place some breathing space. Now, why do I have to do this? No, I mean I could have just done this without making a video on it, but beyond preference, yeah, you can call it more of a preference thing, but it's good to also do this right here so you see why. And of course, you let me know which version you prefer. But then, one thing is important, okay? This is what you should take away with you. This is something, what I'm about to say is what you should take away with you. The dashboard is not finished when there is nothing more to add, but when there is nothing to take away. I'll repeat that. The dashboard is not finished when there is nothing to add, but when there is nothing to take away. So if there is something that will feel okay, that's not doing any job, but it's not really adding anything to our data, please just take it out. I mean, just take it out. And leave it there. It's not really doing anything. Just take it out. This is going to another page. Okay. No. So come back here. Control. I can resize this because it seems too big. There's a lot going on there. Just keep it this way. Okay. Keep this only. I'll just oops, selected something else. Okay. We'll go all the way down. A little bit down. Okay. So I'm not sure if the kiosk reduced, but something something doesn't just feel right. It still seems like a lot. The numbers are big there. It's good the way they are, but I mean, okay. So again, the thing or the rule, the bottom line is the dashboard is not finished when there's nothing to add. Can we add something? Yes. But when there's nothing to take away. So if there's a shape that is not doing anything, for example, this guy, not this guy, there's this one there, there's this tiny guy there, this tiny guy. So I think that is it. It's just jumping to where I don't want it to. But you can see that for yourself and then do any other thing you feel you should do. Okay, and do any other thing you feel you should do. But I've basically mentioned on giving some key tips on what you might want to do. Okay, so let's kiosk, let's kiosk. Yeah, just keep it this way. Now, I know you'll feel like okay, uh, or let me put it this way. You see why I'm doing this? I'm doing this majorly to see that to show you to let you in into the thought flow that what you see out there is a lot of okay. I think let's take this out, let's take this out, let's take this out. But the real flow when you're doing it sometimes you feel frustrated, you feel annoyed, you feel like why can't I just get it the way they did it? Why can't I just be perfectly like this and that? So there are a lot of things you're not seeing behind the scene. So that is what I'm making you see, right? That's what I'm making you see. And I'm not just making you see it, I'm telling you why. Or you might need to do this, you might need to put it this way, you might need to put it that way, okay? So yes, sales rep performance for quarter 1, uh, for quarter 1. The title doesn't really follow, but right now I can't think of better title. You can suggest one. Leave that in the comment section below. Don't worry, I won't make another video on that to correct it. No, you won't. Just keep it that way. But the major thing is okay. Our um, major view is about the sales rep, or the major anchor about the sales rep, even though we have a view of everything that is going on. So, but when we check for the Smiths now, we see everything about the guy, David Smith, right? We can see sales, we can see his customers and all of that. We can see he has 50% completed, 50% shipped. So all payment method were used with this guy. All payments method as well. Got 13% cancelled order, more completed orders, no doubt, and some pending orders. Michael Brown. So Emily Johnson had a peak. I think Valentine period. Yeah, we can see Valentine period. That's February 10th. So said people are buying seasonal sales, something like that. All right, this guy, no cancelled order, but got some good number of pending and shipped, pending and completed, but some are shipped. All payment method were used as well. And for Susan White, just three payment method, no cash at all, no cash. The country is Australia. The products, the person sold his products. The person did well around. I think there have been a continuous decline since February 5th, and then there was a shoot up again, but another decline, right? So you can then start, getting your insights, but the anchor majorly is around towards the sales rep, so we can see if they need more training, why is their sales doing poorly, and all of that, right? So yes, just like to add this. Don't worry, this is I believe this should be up to 5 minutes here, but yeah, just some tip that you should take away. And finally, I'll repeat again: a dashboard is not completed when there is nothing to add. Can I add some other things here? Yes, no doubt, but it is completed when there is nothing to take away. So that's just something you should also keep in mind, apart from other things I've mentioned in the previous video. And yes, this time for real, we're calling this particular dashboard a wrap. Okay, I'll see you in the future videos.